This AI website is the only website you need to generate high quality images for absolutely free of charge. Now, before I reveal this website, let's go into ChatGPT and we're going to ask it to create a prompt for us. So this is what our prompt reads. It says, kindly give me a prompt to create an image of a young, cheerful American lady holding her phone, okay, and she should be standing before a plain and well-lit background. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to hit enter. So this is the prompt that ChatGPT gave to us. So I'm just going to copy this to copy the prompt and I'm going to paste it into the free AI website. So I'm going to reveal the name of this website towards the end of this video. So stick around and watch all the way through to the very end. So I'm going to paste our prompt into the text field of this website. So now I'm going to click create. Wow, so these are the images that this free AI website generated for us, and as you can see, they are really clean. Wow, these are really nice. Now, if you are satisfied with any of the results, you can just go right ahead and click this download option right here. So I'm going to try something now. I'm going to just download any random image from Google. Okay, so I think let's go with this one. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to save this image. So now I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and let's do something really nice. So I'm going to upload this image to ChatGPT, the image I just downloaded, so that it's going to give us a prompt for that image as well. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give us a prompt for the image I just uploaded. So I'm going to say, please give me a prompt, a well-detailed prompt to generate, or should I say to recreate or regenerate, okay, regenerate the image I just, okay, the image I just uploaded. So I'm going to hit enter. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to come up with. Right, so our prompt is ready. So it says, so this is a prompt from ChatGPT. It says, an American football player in full action during a game. He's wearing a green and white helmet, blah, 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 blah. So I'm just going to copy all this and then go to the free AI website and let's see what's going to come up with right here. So I'm going to paste this in the text field, Control A and Control V to paste. And then let's see what this website is going to come up with. So I'm going to click create. Wow, this is really amazing. So this is the results that this free AI website came up with. And you can agree with me that it's very similar to the one we downloaded from Google. I mean, these pictures are really high quality images, as you can see right here. So let's tweak it a little bit. I think I'm loving this. So let me just tweak it a bit. So let's change something around here. Let's change the color of the uniform that the NFL sports star is wearing. So I'm just going to say, I think, okay, so let's say let's change this to, he's wearing a yellow helmet. So let's change this to yellow, the teal and orange stripe. Okay, let's change this to with a purple, teal, and let's change this to purple stripe with a white jersey. Okay, I think white is okay, with teal pants and white clean. Okay, white cleats. Let me change this to yellow. So let's see what ChatGPT is going to come up with. Then let me change the number on his jersey to, let's say, number 10, and the team logo is in, and the team logo on his uniform indicates he plays for. Okay, so I think that's cool. Okay, let's tweak it. So I'm going to click create and let's see what it's going to come up with. Wow, this is awesome. Wow, as you can see, it gave us some really interesting variations of the prompt of the image. And yes, I think this is cool, though this very one still maintain the green is it trunk they call it? Yeah, but the other ones, I think because we tweaked the prompt for a yellow I think yellow, okay, T-pants, but they changed it. So this still maintained the prompt, but this also changed it to yellow. Yes, and we asked for a yellow helmet right here, which it's, it gave us that exactly on the image. So I think this is cool. So under the settings, you can also tweak the settings, and you can change this to a square. Change this to a square, or you can change it to a portrait, whichever one. But I think I'm pretty satisfied with what I've got. So let's say I want to download this very one. So all I need to do is just to click the download icon right here, and we're good to go. So the name of this website is ImageFX. Okay, I'll leave a link to the website in the description box and as a pinned comment in the comment section. So if you found this useful, please like this video, share this video with your friends and other designers, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I post videos like this every week. So thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.